Hi students, now discuss about cells of the immune system. Which cells are involved in the immune system? Immune system provided by which type of these cells? Students, listen carefully. In this, mainly three types of the cells are present in the immune system. These are lymphocytes, phagocytes, axillary cells. This first, what about the lymphocytes? Lymphocytes are the main cells. Lymphocytes plays main role in the body's immune system, and lymphocytes are three types student. Okay, this first one, B cells, B lymphocytes. B cells also called B lymphocytes. What about the B cells and B lymphocytes? These are the B lymphocytes produce antibodies. Students, what about the antibodies? Antibodies are the proteins. These are produces from the B cells, B lymphocytes, and attaches to the cell membrane of the B lymphocytes and shows fight against the antigens, antigen particles, circulating antigens in the body fluids. Combat with the antigens. Students, produce antibodies displayed on the cell membrane surface and capture the circulating antigens. Student, this is the diagrammatic representation of the B cell. This is the nucleus in the B cell. Okay. B cell is the one type of the lymphocytes. Okay, this is the cell membrane of the B lymphocytes, and these are the antibodies, student. These are the antibodies. These are the antibodies produced by the B cell and attaches to the cell membrane of the B cell. Okay, these are the antibodies captures the circulating antigens to fight against, to destroy these antigens, student. This is the antibody, this is the antigen particles. Antigen particles, that is attaches to the antibody. What about the antigen, student? Antigens are large organic molecules. Okay, these are mainly with glycoproteins, polysaccharides, and the proteins. These are the particles are processed after the destruction of the macrophages. Okay, these are the antigens. These are the particles, antigen particles are formed after the destruction of the microorganisms. For example, student, bacteria which is harmful to the human body, that is the bacteria enters into the body of the human beings. That is the bacteria is engulfed, phagocytosed by the macrophages. Okay, these are the macrophages digest the bacteria and destroy them into the smaller particles, smaller divided particles. These are enters into the circulatory body fluids. These are the antigen particles. These are now called as antigens. Okay, these are the antigens or the particles of the destroyed bacteria, okay, which causes the disorders. Okay, students, produce from the stem cells. These are the B lymphocytes are produces from the stem cells in bone marrow. Okay, stem cells are mother cells present in the bone marrow, goes to the division. Stem cells in bone marrow goes to the division and produces the lymphocytes, B lymphocytes. These are the bone marrow is considered as primary lymphoid organ. Bone marrow of the adult mammals. These are produces B cells produces from bone marrow of adult mammals. And liver of fetus. Liver of fetus. What about the fetus? Unborn human that attaches to the uterus wall. Uterus wall. Okay, after the 8 weeks of conception. Bursa fabricius in birds. Bursa fabricius, it is also primary lymphoid organ present in the birds. Okay, student. Produces, liver of fetus produces B lymphocytes. Bursa fabricius in birds produces B lymphocytes. Matured B cell, B cells, B lymphocytes after the maturation, these are called immunocompetent B cells. Immunocompetent B cells reaches the secondary lymphoid organ, student. Secondary lymphoid organs, lymph nodes, appendix. Okay, student. These are secondary lymphoid organs. Matured B cell, immune competent B cells reaches the secondary lymphoid organs and develop into functional immune cells. Functional immune cells are differentiated into two types of cells. One is the long-lived memory cells and another one is effector plasma cells. Okay, effector plasma cells produce antibodies, student. These are the antibodies produces from the plasma cells. Plasma cells produce antibodies. It is important. What about the function of the memory cell? Memory cells stores information to produce antibodies to specific antigen, certain antigen, when after invades later. Anytime that the same type of the antigen is enters into the body. Okay. These are the B cells produce antibodies, same type of the antibodies in short period of time. That about the information is stored by the memory cells. Okay, student. To produce antibodies for the specific antigen invades after some time. Okay, this is the information about the B lymphocyte, student. Now about the T cell, T lymphocytes. T cells also called T lymphocytes. What about the T lymphocytes? T lymphocytes not produce antibodies. These are the antibodies. Antibodies are not produced by the T cell. But B cell produce antibodies to fight against the antigens of the microbes. Not produce antibodies and not recognize the antigens. Antigens also not recognized by the T cell. Next, these are the T cells produced in bone marrow. Bone marrow is the primary lymphoid organ, student. Produces from bone marrow and reaches the thymus gland. Thymus is also primary lymphoid organ. Produces from the bone marrow and reaches to the thymus gland. These are the T lymphocytes. Reaches thymus gland, develop into mature T cell. Okay, and in secondary lymphoid organs. In secondary lymphoid organ. These are the T lymphocytes in secondary lymphoid organs transform into functional T cells. Transform into functional T cell, student. And on exposure to antigen, when these are the T lymphocytes, functional T cells, when exposure to the antigens, when these are the T lymphocytes are exposure to the antigen and T helper cell, TC cells. TH cell, TH means T helper, T helper cells. TC cells, TC cells, T cytotoxic cells. T helper cell, TC cells produce, student, functional T cells. Functional T cells are T helper cell, TC cells. On exposure to the antigen, functional T cells or the T helper cell, TC cells produce memory cells and the effector cells to mediate the cell mediated immune response. Okay, student. And another student, what is the meaning of the antigen presenting cells? Antigens, antibody, antigen presenting cells. Antigen presenting cells, student. Antigen presenting cells present the antigen to the T lymphocytes. Antigen presenting cells present in the body present the antigen to the T lymphocytes or the T cells. Which are the antigen presenting cells? Dendritic cells, macrophages, B cells. These are antigen presenting cells in the body. Student, it is important. Next, what about the antigens? Antigens are the large organic molecules. These are formed after the destruction of the microbes, pathogens. These are available in the form of the proteins, glycoproteins, polysaccharides. Okay, these are the antigens are attaches to the antibody. Antibodies are shows fight against the antigens. Okay, next antibody. What about the antibody? Antibodies are proteins, student. Antibodies are proteins. So these are the antibodies. Antibodies are proteins. These are produced from the B cell, B lymphocytes, and attaches to the B lymphocytes, attaches to the cell membrane of the B lymphocytes. Shows combat with the antigens. Question: shows fight against the antigens.